All right, guys, 2020 Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. What we got done on it, he's been here a couple of times. We've done a full system before over there, other than the rear muffler. We did the mid for him, but he wanted something a little bit different, so he went and ordered a kit. I'll show it to you guys in a second. Factory converter there, downpipe. Then what he did is he ordered FLOWMASTer Y pipe for the resonator delete right there. Then he also ordered a FLOWMASTer Outlaw rear axle set right there. I can't talk today. 3-inch system there and there. But it's weird that FLOWMASTer did a 2.5 into 2 1/4 and then went back out to 3-inch. Huh. Interesting setup, as you guys can see. So it's 3-inch, then it goes down to 2.5, then it goes down to 2 1/4, then it goes back out. You see, like the sleeves they put on it to make it fit the 2 1/4, and then they go back out to 3-inch with 2 FLOWMASTer Outlaws there and there, and then they put some 3-inch tips on it there and right there, 3.5-inch. Here's the part numbers. This is the Y pipe Scavenger series 81108, and this is the FLOWMASTer Outlaw Axleback exhaust black tip. There's the part number 404843. There'll be a link in the description for it also. So there and there. All right, we'll let you guys. There's the old system that we did. There's the middle part that we did, and everything else is stock. And then he had a muffler delete done somewhere else, as you guys can see. All right, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Not bad. We got this on the channel anyways. Oh, it's got a nice pop to it. Here's sound decibels again. Again. So with the pop, 106. Go ahead and back it up. Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. FLOWMASTer system. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo full FLOWMASTer Outlaw system. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.